In today's video, I will walk you through how to withdraw money from Vanguard ISA. If you have cash available in your Vanguard ISA, withdrawing money is a straightforward process. If you do not have any available cash, you may need to sell some of your investments before you can make a withdrawal. To begin, go to your dashboard. From the menu on the left-hand side, select Payments. Once you are in the Payments section, click on Money Out. You will now see two different withdrawal options available. The first option is a regular withdrawal. If you want to set up a recurring withdrawal, click the New Regular button. You will then need to enter the day, month, and year for when you would like to receive your money. After that, enter the amount you want to withdraw each month. Once you have entered the required details, review the information you provided. Keep in mind that it can take up to 10 days for any changes to be processed. The second option is a single withdrawal. If you only want to withdraw money once, click the Withdrawal Cash button. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw, and then click Next to continue. After submitting your withdrawal request, it may take up to 5 days for the money to arrive in your bank account. If you are setting up a regular withdrawal, make sure the payment date and monthly amount are entered correctly before continuing. If you are making a one-time withdrawal, confirm the amount you entered and proceed to the next step. The Money Out section gives you access to both withdrawal methods, allowing you to either schedule regular payments or request a single cash withdrawal, depending on your needs. To recap, start from your dashboard, select Payments from the menu on the left, and click Money Out. From there, choose either a regular withdrawal or a single withdrawal. For a regular withdrawal, enter the date you want to receive the money and the amount to be withdrawn each month. For a single withdrawal, select Withdrawal Cash, enter the amount you want to take out, and click Next. After your request is submitted, allow up to 5 days for a single withdrawal to reach your bank account. And remember, the changes to regular withdrawals can take up to 10 days to be processed, and that's how to withdraw money from a Vanguard ISA.